Hi everyone, it's Jolie, and today we're going to look at how we can take Google Sheets and create a graphing activity that we can use with our youngest learners. So, in this example, we have a Google Sheet, and when students double click on this drawing, a card will open up and they can drag stickers to decorate their card. So, here we go. I'm just going to add some decorations. When students are finished decorating their card, they simply click on Save and Close. Let's add one birthday cake. Okay, save and close. So now the drawing has been updated and all the stickers appear on the card. The second part of the directions are to create a bar graph by using the paint bucket. So let's see, how many teddy bears are there? Well, there's only one. So now students would select a fill color and fill in one square to create a bar graph. There are two heart stickers. There are three balloon stickers. There are four candies. Oh, we don't have any unicorns. And there is one birthday cake. So this would be a great activity if you were just introducing bar graphs. And all students need to do is create the card by dragging the stickers and then use the paint bucket to fill the graph in with paint. So here's how I created an activity like that. The first thing I did is I selected some cells that I want to merge. So if you go to Format Merge Cells, you could merge all of the cells or merge vertically or horizontally. I selected Merge All. And the reason I did this was because I wanted a drawing to be included in these cells that students could manipulate. To insert a drawing is very simple. You go to Insert, Drawing. I created my card in Canva. If you haven't checked out Canva, it is awesome. It's a great place to create graphics. But you could search right here. I'll do a Google image search. Let's look for a card, and PNG would give us that transparent background. So I am getting a lot of playing cards. Let's try being a little bit more specific with greeting card, or even Valentine's Day card might work. Okay, so let's say you want students to decorate this card. You could now insert that image into your Google Drawings. And I created the draggable shapes by using the Shapes tool right here. So here are some hearts you could add, and you could have them fill the hearts in with color, or you could do that in advance. So all the shapes are located right here. You could create little candies, whatever it is you want to do. When you're done creating your draggable activity, you just click Save and Close. And now that drawing will be in your Google Sheets activity. Okay, now it's time to create our table. The first thing you're going to do are select the columns or rows that you would like to use for your bar graph. Then I like to add a border, really making them stand out. Now, I want to resize these row heights. So I'm going to select all the rows that I want to adjust the height. And if you select all of them, it will automatically resize all of the cells in your table. Next, I do not want all of these extra cells over here. So we are going to use the crop sheet extension to get rid of these extra rows and cells. And that's really easy. You're going to add crop sheet. Crop sheet is available in your Chrome web store. And then once you select what you do want to keep, you're going to go to the extensions, select crop sheet, and we are going to crop to the selection. You will notice that all the other rows and columns will disappear. And now you can number your columns right here. So we could start numbering. Okay. Now, I don't need these columns, so I'm going to select them, right click, and I'm going to delete these rows as well. There we go. That looks great. Now, to add a header for the title of this activity, I'm going to select this row. I'm going to right click. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go to Format, Merge Cells, and I'm going to merge all. And I'm going to adjust this row. And this is where you could type in the name of the activity. Once again, I like to create an animated GIF at Canva. So you don't have to do that, but I use my free educator account and I create animated GIFs over there. They look really pretty. The next step would be to include the images in order for students to know where to create their graphs. So you could type in the word like the heart candy, but I like to include the image. And the only way to do that is to go to Insert, Image, and insert the image in the cell. So you would have to have those images saved on your computer, or they would need to be searchable within a Google search. I like to use Canva for all my images. So I created my card at Canva and I downloaded these images from Canva as well. You could use the Google search bar as well to get your images. Now, the reason I prefer images over the shapes for this type of activity is because you want to go to insert image to insert these images right here in your bar graph. And then all you would need to do is show the students how to use the paint bucket. I also include my directions at the top. But if you are working with, let's say, the K-2 population or any non-readers across the grade levels, you could use the Mote extension to record audio directions. Click the check mark, and now you can just copy that audio note, paste it somewhere in your Google Sheet, and students will see this voice note. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I hope you enjoy creating graphing activities in Google Sheets.